actualize how much it is because a Marvel dollar is different. That's what I'm just trying to tell you. There's a list.
Marvel dollar is 200. It's 200. 200.
See, I don't want this thing to cause an argument. If you are not really deep interested. See, hello, please can I have your attention?
Please move on.
Can I have your attention? Let's forget about that. Until contribute, if you participate with something like maybe 25 above, you get this amount, and 25 to like 100,000 or so, you get $20, 160 plus. If you contribute from like 200 or something, or from 170 to 200 to 1 million, 1.1 million, 1.2 million or so, you get $50. And this one is from maybe 1.5 or 2 million. You get $100 bonus. So let's referral program now, referral bonus. Like I said earlier, I said you get 10% interest from donation of the participant you invited. Just like if Mr. A invite Mr. B now, any amount the person donates, assuming the person donates 1 million naira, so you are going to get how much? 100,000. It's as simple as that. Inviting women from the community, your additional contribution to its development. This is MMM is not a networking. The decision to invite people is your choice. Am I right? It's your choice. Okay. Become a manager by finish a 10-day online schooling and then a manager bonus. This is what I was talking about before. The restriction bonus and all that, they stop from there. You can see so many people have been trained to become a manager. Part of them is me. I was shortlisted for the training, and by the grace of God, I'm a manager in the business now. You can see in the game, managers of the community, of the MMM community, can create their own multi-level structures and get the bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is what I'm talking about. Like this person now, I brought this person to the system. This person now bring this person. This person bring all of them under my structure. I'll be getting money from them. That's what is happening to me currently. So if those ones are contributing, I'll be getting 5%. My direct downline, the person I brought, the first person, like I brought this person directly. This person is directly under me. So I'm getting 10% from this person. Because this person brought you, as a manager, I'll get 5% from you. That's what that means. My manager's bonus. This is a multi-level bonus. Just a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level of the structure. You can imagine if you are a 100 plus guider. 100 plus guider means if you have more than 100 people in your structure. Do you understand? If you have more than many on the level of structure, please. Become a manager by finishing 10-day online schooling and then a manager bonus. The manager bonus varies. 5 men from first level. Please, frequently asked questions. Please, let's keep down. Frequently asked questions about MMM. Is MMM not a scam? Answer. MMM is a successful. We want to answer question of whether MMM is a scam or not. So MMM is successfully works more than 4 years in over 118 countries and has more than 130 million participants around the world. You can find videos confirming that by searching MMM page on YouTube. You can see. You can search the testimonials of people that are in the community on YouTube. If it were to be a fraud, people will not keep adding up every day. The community kept on growing. Another thing is that, is it legal? Answer. MMM is not a company, bank, or multi-level program. It is a community, a social network of people providing financial aid directly to each other by transferring their money, they are transferring their own money. It collects millions of participants worldwide to those who need help and those who are willing to provide them. Participants are providing help by their own goodwill. They are providing help with their own money, from which all taxes are already paid. Is it a Ponzi scheme? Answer. Unlike Ponzi scheme, MA is clearly and openly explaining its operation process, goals and aim. Participants are the only source of financial aid provided to other participants. MMM works as a peer-to-peer software, helping to connect participants between each other. What it does is that it connects That's all is what the grammar is all about. So LMM does not give any guarantee or promise for you to get help from others. On the LMM contrary, once a while the pastor does not get any help. Even if you are provided, LMM is being completely open and honest with the participants. That's one of our things, honest and transparency. They will tell you that don't do with all the money that you have, but you will with only your spare money. Sorry, sir. How can I be sure that I will not lose my money? The best way to make yourself sure is to register and provide your first step with a minimum of amount allowed by the rules of MMA, which is $10 in order to check how MMA works. As a proof that people are really getting help from MMA, you may find videos by searching MMA videos on YouTube or check the latest happiness posted in our website where we share the joy of having provided help. I believe that one is very, very good. Is it a pyramid? Yes, MMA is a pyramid. It's a pyramid system. You operate a pyramid system. The unit of MMA is that it has no reason on top of the community who gets all the money. There is no single account where all money is stored. That is a pyramid system whereas there is no single place where the money is stored. The money is in your account, it's in my account. It's in this person's account. You want to provide this person wants to build a house. And this person wants to do what? You want to buy a car. So what the person does is that he connects you with somebody that wants to build a car, you get money from that person. This person invests money in Africa and use money to get another thing that he wants. You can with MMA you can actualize your dream by buying your dream car and your dream house. If you provide them with 1 million naira, you are getting 1.3 million naira. So do not use wrong phone number or banking details. That's what people do in Nigeria here, for example. Always use your correct details to register in MMA. Do not allow your family members to pay more than you.
What do you mean by that?
Do not allow your family members to pay. Like,
yeah, maybe say something, yes. Maybe you register your wife, for example. Your wife should not pay more than you.
What do you pledge for? Not pledge more than me.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
you're not pledge more, that's provided.
Because you will bear the same name, because and you're the one that registered.
They are registered the person. So you should be providing help. You should be growing more than the person. Yeah, do that. You understand? You are more than the person is your family. Hey, different account. But you said they are very the same thing. You're talking about very the same thing. That's what I'm saying. Hey, the person was paid more like that's what I mean. So that, do you understand what I mean by that? Do you understand? Did you understand? Okay. Please. See, sir, if you want to ask questions, let your question be straightforward. Okay.
One house, please. Madam, you are beautiful.
But in the account section, and bank account details, you use our account payment. But when you just say that, you have to place your letter, that first place your letter, you don't use your son's name, you don't have a pen. You use that, you can use that thing, yes, my wife knows better than she helped me. I'm not hearing you guys. Okay.
See, all questions should be directed to the organizer of the event. In case if you are having any... Hello sister. Please.
One house.
If you know more than us, then you should come and lecture the people. No, I want the people to, because the attention is being divided. And see, people are not focusing on this place. So this is where if you want to come and
let me explain the account. When you want to register, the information you provide on the form, the simple short form. That one is not the account, that was an account. Now when you now register when you now have an account, and then address, when you want to now log in, you want to now have your, just like have your username and password, want to now log in. There's a place where you put account details, where this money is now returned about and paid and know, you put your right there. That place you can bear your son. The next thing you your account. It is my son is the best. Can use that one. There's no problem with that one. What we're talking about is registry.
I want to use that one that we did the other time. She understands that this one is more.
Yeah.
I want it to be. We will use that one, but we'll use this one to support it. Because that one is not that clear. It should be more than 10 minutes now. We'll be talking about more than that one. Stop. We started another one. How many people have we recorded?
Like 2.
Okay, 10 minutes.
It's more than 10 minutes. You will short it.
I will know how to match them together.
Yes, it does.
That's the problem. Tell you whatever he does. What I'm saying, at least, the person will not tell you what he does. But that's the issue. They don't want, it's not that they want to like I said. You should take the time. They want to investigate the start of something. They investigate. Because you are very same son. They don't know whether you don't want to put them on to like that. Okay. They can't see you suspect. Yes. So the person who brought you will have his life checked again. That period is also to avoid that delay. That's what I said. It's not like it might take 1 day, it might take 2 days, it might take 1 week, it might take 2 weeks. Yes. So, like you know, after they go back to work and they monitor that clothes when they have to start checking their account. No, but now you understand the rule.